The year is 1859, a time of great change and discovery, where the world is on the brink of new understandings and revelations. A fire crackles in the hearth, casting flickering shadows across a dimly lit study. The room is filled with an air of quiet anticipation, as if it knows that something monumental is about to unfold. On a heavy wooden desk bound in green cloth lies a book. It sits there, unassuming yet profound, waiting to be discovered. Its title, On the Origin of Species. These words, simple yet powerful, hint at the groundbreaking ideas contained within. The book is soon opened, its pages turned by unseen hands. Each page a step into a new realm of thought, a journey into the unknown. Little does the reader know, but this book, this single volume, contains within it the power to reshape our understanding of life itself. It holds the key to questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. This is not a work of fiction, nor a philosophical treatise. It is a beacon of knowledge, a testament to human curiosity and intellect. It is a work of science, meticulously researched, painstakingly crafted over decades. Each note, each diagram, a piece of a larger puzzle that reveals the secrets of life. Its author, Charles Darwin, has embarked on a journey of discovery that will challenge the very foundations of our understanding of the natural world. His dedication and perseverance have led him to insights that will forever change the way we see ourselves and the world around us. His theory, evolution by natural selection, a concept so revolutionary, it will ignite debates, inspire future research, and alter the course of science and history. This book, On the Origin of Species, is not just a collection of ideas, it is a catalyst for change, a spark that will light the way for generations to come. Charles Darwin was not a man of half measures. He was a visionary, a thinker who pushed the boundaries of what was known and accepted. Born into a world where the natural order was seen as immutable, divinely ordained, he dared to question. He dared to observe. In an era dominated by rigid beliefs, Darwin's curiosity was a beacon of change. He dared to imagine a world where life in all its diversity was not fixed, but rather the product of an endless, intricate dance of change. His observations led him to see the interconnectedness of all living things, the subtle variations that hinted at a grander design. Darwin's journey began not in a laboratory, but in the wild embrace of nature itself. It was in the untamed landscapes, amidst the flora and fauna, that he found the clues to life's mysteries. Aboard the HMS Beagle, a ship tasked with surveying the coast of South America, Darwin, a young naturalist, embarked on an adventure that would forever alter the course of scientific thought. His voyage was not just a physical journey, but an intellectual odyssey that challenged the very foundations of biology and natural history. Through meticulous observation and relentless inquiry, Darwin gathered evidence that would culminate in his groundbreaking work, On the Origin of Species. This seminal book introduced the theory of evolution by natural selection, a concept that revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. Today, Darwin's legacy lives on in the countless scientists who continue to explore the complexities of evolution. His daring to question and his commitment to truth have paved the way for generations of discovery and innovation. Imagine the young Darwin, standing on the deck of the Beagle, the salt spray stinging his face as the ship cuts through the waves. The vastness of the ocean mirrors the boundless potential of the natural world, a world brimming with secrets waiting to be unlocked.
From the lush rainforests of Brazil to the windswept plains of Patagonia, I immersed myself in the tapestry of life. I collected specimens, meticulously documenting the subtle variations between species, the intricate adaptations that allowed them to thrive in their unique environments.
Nowhere were the seeds of Darwin's revolutionary ideas sown more firmly than in the Galapagos Islands. This remote archipelago, a volcanic crucible of life, provided the perfect natural laboratory for Darwin's keen observations. Giant tortoises with shells sculpted by their island homes, marine iguanas perfectly adapted to life in the sea, finches with beaks uniquely suited to their preferred food sources. Each species, Darwin realized, was a testament to the power of adaptation. Section 5. On the origin of species, a thunderbolt is released. In 1859, after years of meticulous research and contemplation, Darwin published On the Origin of Species. The impact was immediate, electrifying, and in some quarters explosive. Darwin's central thesis was deceptively simple, yet profoundly radical. Species were not immutable, but rather evolved over countless generations through a process he called natural selection. Those individuals with traits best suited to their environment were more likely to survive, reproduce, and pass on those advantageous traits. Section 6. Storming the ramparts of tradition. The publication of On the Origin of Species sparked a firestorm of controversy. Religious leaders railed against what they saw as a direct challenge to the biblical account of creation. Scientists too were divided, some embracing Darwin's ideas, others clinging to the traditional view of a static natural world.
The battle lines were drawn, not on battlefields, but in lecture halls, in scientific journals, and in the court of public opinion. Darwin, ever the meticulous scientist, remained above the fray, letting his work speak for itself.
Section 7. The Ascent of Evidence, Darwin's Champions.
Despite the initial resistance, Darwin's ideas found fertile ground in the minds of a new generation of scientists. Thomas Henry Huxley, known as Darwin's Bulldog, became a fierce advocate for evolution, engaging in public debates and popularizing Darwin's work. Fossil discoveries, unearthed from the depths of time, provided tangible evidence of life's long journey. Similarities in the anatomy of different species hinted at shared ancestry, further bolstering Darwin's theory.
Section 8. The Enduring Legacy, Darwin's Impact on Science.
Darwin's legacy extends far beyond the realm of biology. His work revolutionized our understanding of the natural world, providing a unifying framework for all of the life sciences. From genetics to paleontology, from ecology to medicine, the theory of evolution by natural selection has become the bedrock upon which our understanding of the living world is built. It has allowed us to trace the interconnectedness of all life, to understand the processes that drive biodiversity, and to develop new strategies for combating disease.
Section 9. Evolution's Reach Beyond Biology. Darwin's influence extends even beyond the realm of science. His ideas have permeated our culture, influencing art, literature, philosophy, and even our understanding of ourselves. From the novels of H.G. Wells to the sculptures of Auguste Rodin, from the philosophy of Friedrich Nietzsche to the psychology of Sigmund Freud, Darwin's ideas have left an indelible mark on human thought. His work has forced us to confront our place in the natural world, to grapple with the implications of our own evolutionary heritage. Section 10. Our Place in the Tapestry, a Legacy for the Future.
Today, over 150 years after the publication of On the Origin of Species, Darwin's ideas are more relevant than ever. His groundbreaking work laid the foundation for our understanding of the natural world, and it continues to influence scientific thought and research. Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection has become a cornerstone of modern biology, providing insights into the diversity of life on Earth and the processes that drive it. As we face the challenges of a rapidly changing world, from climate change to emerging diseases, an understanding of evolution is essential to finding solutions. The principles of evolution help us comprehend how species adapt to their environments, how genetic variations can lead to new traits, and how these traits can be passed on to future generations. This knowledge is crucial in addressing the environmental and health crises we encounter today. Darwin's legacy is not just a collection of scientific theories, it is a call to action. It urges us to apply our understanding of evolution to protect and preserve the natural world. By recognizing the interconnectedness of all life forms, we can make informed decisions that benefit both humanity and the planet.